Hey guys, what's up? It's Maiji and welcome to Canon 24. So here is BOYA by M1 lapel microphone. Here's a quick unboxing and quick review of the microphone. So first, when you open the pack, the microphone pack, you'll see the microphone with this very long cable inside, and then you also see the foam windscreen to protect the microphone from the wind and any external interference, and also have the LR44 battery, a lapel clip, and an adapter. So it's a very simple pack, and there's nothing much than these few little things I just mentioned. Now let's talk a little about the usage. Is this microphone worth buying? First, this microphone will cost you less than 20 US to purchase. So if you don't have $50 US, 100 or 1,000 to purchase professional microphone, with just 20 USD, you can purchase the BOYA by M1 microphone, and it's very effective. It's simple to use, is effective, and is convenient. Now you have a very long cable. It therefore means if you are the type that move around your room, your studio while recording, with this long cable, let me see. With this long cable, you are good to go. So you can move around conveniently without any obstruction. And talking about the battery, LR44, you have to place the battery in this place. And here is the LR44 battery inside. So when you place it here, then you are good to go. It came with just one LR44 battery, so you may want to have get on that one from the nearby shop, just in case in emergency you will replace it. So nothing too much, it's just cheap, it's affordable, and it's effective. So you can use it for different things. You can use it with your smartphone, with your laptop, with a sound recorder, and with your DSLR camera. So I want to make a big shout out to Valor Reviews. Thanks for recommending this, and it has been effective and very affordable. So it's cool. So the disadvantage, okay, fine, I'll mention one. Now, because of the long cable, it therefore means that you have to be careful while folding. If you keep folding this microphone every day, every time, there's a very high possibility that the cable might get faulty. So for those who have a standby studio, or you just place the microphone and you leave the cable there until you use it next time, then this microphone will surely last. But if you're a type that unfold and fold it every day or every time during usage, you have to be very careful so it doesn't get faulty. Other than that, it's cheap, it's versatile, and it's cool. So you should get it if you are looking for a budget microphone. BOYA by M1 is a good microphone.